As we all know, bees play a crucial role in our ecosystem and are responsible for pollinating around 1/3 of the food we eat. Unfortunately, their populations are in decline and it's up to us to help them. In this video we will explain how you can create a garden that provides a safe and nourishing habitat for these little wonders. Step 1. Choose the right plants. Bees love flowers, especially those that are bright and colorful. So, when choosing plants for your bee-friendly garden, look for flowers that are blue, purple, yellow, and white. Some popular choices include lavender, sunflowers, clover, and borage. Step 2. Provide a source of water. Bees need water to survive, so it's important to provide them with a source. You can do this by filling a shallow dish with pebbles and water or by installing a small bird bath. Make sure the water is not too deep, as bees can drown. Step 3. Create a safe haven. Bees need a place to rest and shelter from the elements. You can provide this by creating a bee hotel or by planting a hedge that provides protection from wind and rain. Step 4. Reduce the use of pesticides. Pesticides can be harmful to bees, so it's important to reduce their use in your garden. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods such as companion planting or using ladybugs. Step 5. Plant a variety of flowers. To ensure that your garden provides a constant source of food for bees, it's important to plant a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year. This way, the bees will always have something to forage on. Creating a bee-friendly garden is a simple and rewarding way to help these important insects. By following these steps, you can create a garden that provides a safe and nourishing habitat for bees. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.